Hi guys, it's been a great year this 2025 and I just want to share that God has really blessed us this year and we made a lot of profit this year. We made millions this year and for 2026 we plan on becoming bigger and stronger. And I'm saying this because I also want to share that all of our AI powered copy trading bots ended this year, ended 2025 in profit. So let's check it out. Let's go to our copy trading area here in our broker Vantage. So we search in copy trading JFX. No, so we have six lead trading accounts here or signal provider accounts. We have JFX Rush, Swing, Solomon, Overflow, Genesis, and NYX. So as you can see, different profitability, different yung gains and profit niya for the past 3 months. You can see here sa side the return for the past 3 months. And accordingly, of course, 1 and 2, Rush and Swing, these are aggressive AI-powered bot traders. Solomon Overflow are set to moderate risk, moderate profitability. And Genesis and NYX, these are AI-powered traders that are set to conservative. And these are meant for long-term copy trading, no? Or long-term trading. So going first with Rush, uh, Rush made 1,395 or almost 14 times ROI in the past 3 months. So check natin si JFX Rush. Again, uh, bago pa lang to siya. So let's see the monthly returns. So yeah, ano pa nga 2 months pa nga, di pa siya completely 3 months talaga. So started November, made 292, close to 300% return. And exactly the same for December, no? 281% yung gains niya. So overall, if you combine this, year-to-date na return niya for the past 2 months, it's almost 14 times already. And total trades ng trader natin, pot trader natin is 527. Trading metals, of course, gold. And nakikita natin dito yung win rate niya or the accuracy of the trader. It's 79.69% or almost close to 80% yung win rate niya. And here in the risk band, we see 7. Why do we see 7? Because again, this is a very aggressive trading bot, no? Si JFX Rush. Going back, JFX, let's go to JFX Swing. No, and from the word itself, it does swing trading. So it has trades on metals, crypto, and forex. No, so 66.39% yung win rate niya. And I think this is a very healthy win rate given that total trades niya, it's uh, 1,488. Started back on uh, September. Yeah, September, October, November, and then December. So if you can see inconsistency with the performance is we are obviously updating. We are consistently updating this trading bot. Kaya iba-iba yung performance niya. Yeah, you can see here if you go with the app, no, or the website, you can see yung daily trades niya, yung performance niya. Going back here sa monthly, total return niya for the past 3 months is 156.40%. So if you started 3 months ago, then you already made 1.5 times already of your capital. Nag-ROI ka na 1.5 times already. So that is JFX Swing. Going back to our two moderate bots, JFX Solomon. Actually, this is one of my favorite trading bots, no? Kasi it's been very, very consistent. So we started August, September, October, November, December for the past 5 months. This bot already made 255.80% gains. Kita natin max niya na kinita sa isang buwan, it's 49.62%. Trading on gold, total 780 plus trades. Win rate niya 78%. It's almost close to 80%. Risk niya nasa level 3 lang. Again, this is moderate, no? So, di siya ganun ka-aggressive. But it's for me, I consider this AI trading bot, kumbaga healthy. Kasi, as you can see, performance niya, 0.25, 4%, 3%, 1%, 1%, 0.4, 0.74, 1%. So if you can backtrack the history, it's making average siguro 1 to 3% on a daily basis. Pag hindi na-meet yung criteria niya or yung market conditions for the bot, minimal yung trades niya or it doesn't trade at all. Kaya sometimes you see less than 1% yung profit ni JFX Solomon. So that's JFX Solomon trading on gold. Solomon kasi, yun nga, gold, di ba? So, King Solomon in the Old Testament, in the book of Proverbs, no? He's the richest man, the wisest king. And siya yung may pinakamaraming gold, kaya JFX Solomon. Going back to number 4, JFX Overflow. Again, this is, kumbaga, my second favorite trading bot, probably. Solomon and Overflow. I love these trading bots, no? Started same with Solomon, running 5 months already. And for 2025, it made 291.8% or close to 300% already. So moderate risk siya. It's very similar to Solomon. Trading on gold but iba lang yung trading strategy niya. As you can see here, it's been trading 2,318 trades na yung binato ng bot na to. Win rate is nasa 86.06%, no? 2,000 plus trades on gold, no? And ito yung results niya for the past 3 months, 118%. For the whole year, close to 300%. Max monthly return niya, 67.87%. Almost 70 na rin, almost 70%. No? Dito sa September, no? Because yung market ng gold, yung market condition niya, it's matched with the trading strategy of this bot trader. So that is JFX Overflow. Going now to JFX Genesis. JFX Genesis, this is our longest running na AI-powered trading bot. No? And it's not perfect, but what I love about this one, it's conservative. We updated the bot, no? We consistently update the bot, yung performance niya. And every time we update, of course, na binabacktest natin yung bot. So, return niya, year to date, 93.91%, close to 100. Max monthly return niya, 22.91%. So, may nakikita kayong pula dyan, no? You can also check this on the app. You can search JFX Genesis yourself, no? And makikita nyo yung performance niya. So, trading Forex, but mostly trading gold, no? So, depende siya sa update ng AI-powered bot natin, no? So, 664 trades, win rate niya is 76.80%. So, this is very conservative, no? If you see na for the past 3 months, 15.73% lang yung gains niya or yung return ROI niya for the past 3 months, 15%. So, this is very conservative. To some people, medyo maliit, but to most people who want to put their money in copy trading and they want to go long term, this is very, very good numbers already, no? So, saan kayo nakahanap ng investment or maybe negosyo na for the past, in just 3 months, you make 15% return already, no? So, that is JFX Genesis. This is the, I think, second longest profitable trading bot in the Philippines. And one of the longest record in the Philippines and most profitable. So if you combine the longest record plus profitability, it goes to JFX Genesis. So nakakuha tayo ng award from Vantage as lead copy trading copy trading leader in the Philippines because of JFX Genesis, no? Because of the performance, its longevity, its sustainability, yung record na hinawakan niya from 2024, 2025, and now going to 2026. So, maaba record niya is profitable. So, For conservative people, di nila gusto na paldo or they can really wait, no? They want kumbaga sustainable safe returns at ayaw nila masunog yung pera nila. JFX Genesis is a perfect uh, bot you can copy. That's JFX Genesis. Last but not the least, si JFX NYX, or this is formerly known as CTNYX. So naging JFX product na siya because before si JFX NYX, this is traded by a human trader, and yung trades niya as a human trader, no, since it's very objective, very consistent, we made this, kumbaga yung trading strategy niya, we converted it into a bot. So, yung trader, what he does is minomonitor niya na lang yung account na to on a daily basis because it's completely run by EA already, no, or bot already. So, sorry, hindi pala siya AI-powered bot trader. It's human-powered bot trader. Ito si JFX Nix. Yeah, so return niya year-to-date, 67.91%. I don't think this is accurate, no. I think it's bigger. Hindi pa lang na-update ng website or ng broker natin. But yeah, close to 70% already yung return niya for 2025, this year. And as you can see, it's consistent, and there are months that merong losses. May 10% loss, meron din 6.8 or 7% loss. And it's okay kasi there are strategies. Hindi lahat ng trading strategies are profitable all the time. So let me say that again. Not all profitable strategies are profitable all the time. So again, it depends on the market condition, especially JFX NYX or NYX, it's trading gold. Sometimes gold is uptrend, downtrend. Sometimes yung gold, it's consolidating or the market is moving sideways. So it depends completely on the strategy. So total 809 trades for the whole year. I think we started JFX NYX January, February, or March, basta first quarter of this year. So, di ko lang mabalikan dito. But yeah, makita nyo meron siyang performance May up until here, December 2025. So yeah, that's the update, guys, of all our AI-powered bot traders, all of our copy trading accounts. And we made profit this 2025, no? And again, I'm very, very blessed dahil ito kay God, lahat ito, all of these blessings galing sa Kanya. And for 2026, kung ano man yung mangyari, we plan on going bigger, stronger, and faster with what we're doing with AI-powered bot trading na we made it available for everyone in copy trading. So whatever happens in 2026, we surrender it to God. I surrender it to God. Siya na bahala sa magpaulan ng blessing sa atin. And gusto ko lang din magpasalamat to all our clients, to all our traders, to all our copyers here in the Philippines, especially Filipinos and of course OFWs, no? Kasi a lot of OFWs in our community are copy trading with us. And just late this year, siguro third or fourth quarter of 2025, we gained some recognition from foreign countries outside of the Philippines. Syempre foreign nga, no? International clients, international copyers who are copying the JFX group, no? Or yung copy trading group natin. So without you guys, this won't be possible. So thank you so much for trusting and believing in our AI-powered bot traders now. So very excited for 2026. And if you're here still watching this video, ipopost ko maybe in the description or the comment section on how you can also start copy trading with us. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Happy trading, happy earning, and God bless.